We're at Elk Island today, and this is just to the east of Edmonton, and it's a national park, and so far we've seen about 2 bison, which is pretty cool. I've never seen one before. But this lake behind me is Lake Aston, and it's pretty beautiful. Here's an abandoned gas station. I guess Canada has its share of abandoned things too. So this is Strathcona, which is kind of an older part of Edmonton with brick buildings and wooden buildings. And it's kind of got a nice smaller town feel, but it's actually part of Edmonton still. But today we're going to go on this tramway, or streetcar, from Strathcona through a tunnel, the only Canadian Pacific rail tunnel built this side of the Rocky Mountains, over the high-level bridge and stop in downtown Edmonton. So the streetcar is run by the Railway Society. And this is one of their streetcars here, but they actually have streetcars from all over the world. So you can ride a streetcar from Australia or from Japan or America. So that is kind of a cool thing. But yeah, let's go check this out today.
So good afternoon, folks. Would you like to hear some history? Very good.